ang medyo nasa Gen X. So,
ikaw nagsabi niyan, ha?
Partner.
Oo.
Kasi si Monico Laurente ay nakalaban pa yan ni paring Malcolm Eagle Eye Tunyacao, partner.
Of course, from the family of mga Laurente na magagaling na boxer.
Ay, tsaka si yung isa, yung holder of new brand of Laurente, si JL Laurente, who is holding right now ang bloodline to continue the legacy of Laurente.
Oh, one of our top prospects actually yan si JL Laurente na nasa Japan. Sparring partner siya doon, kasama niya ni Ali Laurel.
Bah.
Oo, at saka sino pa? May isa pa eh.
Meron.
Kaya mo yan, Ninong?
Hindi, naalala ko pero nawala sa isip ko eh.
Mamaya, maalala natin yan. A minute has elapsed, partner.
Siyempre, one of Laurente na talagang nagbigay ng sa atin, yung Dennis Laurente.
Right.
Also,
si Coach Dennis.
On the higher weight, talagang kinarga niya tayo sa world stage. Kasi napalaban din siya sa mga undercard ni Senator Manny Pacquiao.
And of course, yung coach natin sa Elorde South Box, diba? Huwag mong kakalimutan. Si Coach Toto Laurente.
Oo, yung silent but deadly.
Oo naman. Jenny Clave, shoutout daw sa mga kabady niya. Diana, Lotlot, Viernes, Bernally, Shian. Amping kayo sa pag-uwi.
Alam mo ba, ang alam ko, partner, natalo si paring Eagle Eye Malcolm Tunyacao kay Monico Laurente.
Talaga ba? Oo.
Ang alam ko kung if my memory serve me right.
Right now, we can see Monico Laurente, tinutukod niya yung kanyang jab. Ito naman si Jufel Salina trying to come in aggressive, picking his shots with those hooks, ano?
Tanungin mo anong division?
Nilang
Bantamweight
dalawa.
ba yun? Bantamweight.
Bantam ba?
Bantam.
Oo.
So ngayon lightweight na si Monico Laurente.
So both boxers are undeniably hard hitters. Jufel Salina, I think we last saw him against kanino ba, Nino? Dapat alam mo lahat.
Hindi lahat. Tayo naman hindi lahat kaya na nating isiksik na sa pag-iisip natin. Minsan may mga lapses na tayo.
May tulong na ng BoxRec. Sabi ni BoxRec, nakalaban niya si MJ Uduna, ayun, at the back of my head.
Oo, naalala ko blow by blow yan eh.
Yes.
Blow by blow,
So si Salina actually is carrying on with a 3-fight win streak.
Sinabi ni Coach Chiting, si Ben Manangkil pala.
Si Ben Manangkil, there you have it. Opo. Jilton Haluwag, tapos na si Jason Dohelio. Hindi siya pinalad manalo pero magandang laban ang pinakita niya.
May trivia ako.
Ano yan?
Handa ka na ba sa trivia ko?
Try ko.
Alam mo ba si Jufel Salina, nakalaban niya na si JL Laurente at ngayon nakakalaban niya si Monico Laurente.
Wow, ang gandang trivia ng partner. Kumbaga, yung family tree, no? Talagang umaakit siya sa family tree. Ito namang si Monico Laurente, partner, has fought Jetro Pabustan. And yun nga, sabi mo, Malcolm Eagle Eye Tunyacao, ano? Tignan natin kasi baka nakailang laban ba sila?
Alam ko isa. Sa Cebu sila naglaban.
Natalo siya kay Malcolm Eagle Eye.
Natalo.
Oo. But it was via split decision, ha?
Tama.
So it must have been a closed fight.
Yung isa pala yung napanood ko. Nasa Cebu.
Sino yan?
Medyo nakalimutan ko na yung
Hindi ba si Panya yan?
Hindi.
Kasi nakalaban din niya si Panya Utok.
Hindi. Matagal na yun. Matagal na panahon na. Jufel Salina is trying to dig to the body of Monico Laurente, partner. Siguro tingin ko yun ang game plan nila.
Right now, Laurente is quick to step back and counter with hooks. Laurente targeting the head and the body of Monico Laurente.
Yes, yes. Oh. I think a low blow did hit Laurente on that exchange, partner.
With a minute and 40 seconds left, we are going to wait for 5 minutes, di ba?
Yes, 5 minutes. 5 minutes rest period kung tawagin. Hindi natin makita no, partner, on that angle kung ano.
Tama. Tama ka, Ami Yuba. Support na lang, mahirap magboxing. Totoo yan, partner, no? Amateur pa nga lang ang hirap na. Paano pa ang pro? Sa pro kasi lakas versus lakas na yan. Coach Dodds. Nako, sa Maik Gym. Shoutout sa'yo.
Oo, nako.
Isa yun sa mga gagaling din natin mga boxers, no?
Alam mo, sarap kakwentuhan si
Oo naman.
Coach Dodds.
Oo.
Maniwala ka.
Oo.
Lahat ng trivia ng boxing.
At magandang lalaki.
Opa talaga. Hindi ko na pinag-isipan yan.
O, diba?
Alto Yogon. Alam mo, si Alto Yogon. Magkikita tayo, Al, sigurado.
Yes, si John Verespre din ng Prime Fight Gym. Dalaw kayo dyan sa Cebu. Pati meron dyan yung Coffee TVT. Meron silang coffee shop dyan, ano?
The Cebuano Assassin, Raymart, taga-Canao.
Oh.
See you November 4, ha? May laban si Raymart, taga-Canao. Dyan sa PMI na event. Will be headlined by Reggie, the Filipino Phenom Sugano.
At that's another stacked card, partner.
Very stacked card. Christian Balunan also on fighting there. And among others. At saka si Casey Morton, lalaban din dyan.
A female fight that there's a belt in line with, diba?
No, this is a non-title fight for...
Okay. But against a foreign opponent din, diba?
I think so. Dalawang female fight yung...
Parang Sai, no?
Oo, yes.
Oo. There you go. Both of them are digging into the body. Jufel Salina trying to set up a body shot. Laurente trying to have that flurry on the body of Salina. Sir Joseph Garcia, marami naman nanonood. I think hindi lang kita sa camera, pero dito sa likod namin, on the other side, maraming paying viewers kasi may bayad tong event. And pag bumili ka ng VIP ticket, may free buffet. Kahit ilang beses ka bumalik, pwede kang kumain. So, dapat i-normalize natin yan, ano, na if we want a boxing event to be successful and be sustainable, kailangan masanay tayo na may tickets. Di ba, Ninong?
Actually, parang libre na ngayon pa-boxing mo because yung dinner lang, substantial na yun para sa binayad mo.
Merienda tsaka dinner meron. Sabi ni Robin Langres, tama, sinabi mo din to kanina, Ninong. Una sa pamangkin, dito naman sa tito niya susubukan.
Yes. Yan ay isang trivia lang na naabutan ko.
Here we go. Round 3 of this lightweight match between Jufel Salina and Monico Laurente. They're tied up, trying to roughhouse a little bit. Laurente targeting the body of Monico Laurente. Referee Gerald says, you can't tie each other up too long. You need to work.
One of the prominent promoter, I think in Malaysia, if I'm not mistaken, is watching right now, Vladimir Boxing Gym. if I'm not mistaken, they are based in Malaysia. Thank you for watching, sir.
Wow, we hope to be there too. Alam mo, partner, I love Malaysia. I've been to Kuala Lumpur and one of their Penang, if I'm not mistaken, and Malacca. Such a beautiful country.
Malacca, I did a very laid-back city. But I think dahil mahilig ako sa cold weather, I like Genting a lot in Malaysia. Right. Malayo nga lang, medyo malayo. From Kuala Lumpur, you must travel, alam ko, 2 to 3 hours to be there.
Monico Laurente, another low blow.
Gerald Paclar from Iligan, RCJ Boxing Stable, is watching right now. Para siya pa ang memory ko. RCJ, alam ko. Baliktad ba? RJC. Rapi Jimenez. RJC. Okay.
Pakibasa yung comment ni Enrique Magsalin kasi para sa'yo yan, partner.
Yes. Oh, alam ko may utang ako sa'yo. Enrique. And hopefully, magkatapusan na tayo by October 28. Okay. Itong mga to magkakasama siguro to. Si Chris Cañosa, si Enrique Magsalin. Siguro ano yan. Coach Edsel Burlas is watching us right now.
Yes, Coach Edsel.
From PMI Boxing
and our PMI friends.
In Bohol. Like I repeatedly said, yung Kumong Buano 12, I think yung may tickets, may mga tickets din dyan at nakalagay din sa Facebook page ng PMI. You could contact the number there to avail the tickets.
Right.
Alam mo, yung Kumong Bunanong 12, pag bumili ka ng ticket, may mga prizes kang makukuha.
Raffle,
Raffle. At saka ang top prize dyan is a brand new motorcycle. So, mag-enjoy ka na ng world-class na boxing. May chance ka pang manalo ng mga raffle prizes. So, inaanyayahan ko kayo by November 4, Kumong Bunanong 12, dyan sa Bohol Wisdom Gymnasium, headed by this card is headed by Reggie the Filipino Pinam Suganog.
And of course, we are nearing the end of this round.
Chris Cañosa, hindi mo pa birthday dapat birthday mo.
Magkakasama yan sila Harry Omak, kasama din nila. Sir RG Lerio, maraming nanonood. I think you're just watching it from a different angle, but behind us, ang daming paying viewers. Kasi yung entrance dito, partner, nasa likod natin. It's not on the other side. That's why the audience chose to sit near the entrance.
Videoan mo nga, partner.
Mamaya, oo. Tsaka malaki. Ang laki-laki nitong Tacloban City Convention.
Napakalaki ng gymnasium na to. I think etong gymnasium na to ginagamit din for some PBA on tour na mga games.
Yes, Sir RJ, main event natin. Justin Darap versus Carlo Demesilio. We are here in round number 4.
Alam mo, itong si Rodney Baldonado, napaka-spoiled sa akin. Kakabigay ko lang ng t-shirt. May bago na naman.
Different color daw. Ikaw naman.
Sige, abangan natin. Baka...
Gusto niya kasi parang Coach Tassi, papalit-palit.
Itong mga...
Lorde Boys natin nakakamiss tuloy. Ito na, round number 4. Jufel Salina is safe to say really stalking Monico Laurente. Laurente trying to stick out that right lead hand to neutralize the aggression of Jufel Salina. They're back at the center of the ring. Laurente tries to punch over the guard of Salina. Salina stays quick in countering. Raymar Crecina, good luck daw kay Justin Darap sa main event natin. Now they're tied up and our referee Gerald keeps them apart. Jufel Salina is your southpaw, no? Siya yung kaliwete. Itong si Monica Laurente is standing in an orthodox stance but is switch hitting in some moments. They're trying to pull that jab into each other, setting up those punches. Double punch by Laurente. Jufel Salina lunges in. Huge shots by Jufel, but Laurente lands with that straight. They're tied up, but of course our referee is warning not to hold because excessive holding is illegal. Liar Moore, shout out, watching us from Sukat. Rodel Pepito, shout out daw kay Kenny Demesilio. Both of them are trading in the pocket. Laurente at the back foot, but staying within the pocket. Salina with that uppercut. Laurente pummels the body with those light punches, flurrying into the head, trying to, alam nyo yung mga ganyang light punches, although they're not meant to hurt you, they're meant to irritate you, to really put you out of your game, no? Next na po si Jessie Chris Rosales versus Miyoto Noguchi, which is our special attraction for today. Let's watch some of the highlights of the previous round. Napapaos na daw si Michael Dasmariñas sa kakasigaw para kay Jufel. Oh, that was a good left hook from Jufel Salina right there, ano? Grabe. Talaga parang throwback tong ano, tong ring ngayon.
Totoo naman, parang throwback tong laban na to. Just imagine Coach Edmond Villamor, Coach Tassie Macalos, Gerald Tumuldan,
Monico Laurente. Si Jufel parang ano pa to pinanganak eh, parang 90s pa eh. Parang 2000 siguro. Hindi naman. Mga 90s.
20 plus lang yata si Jufel eh. 20 plus. Okay.
Nako, isa sa mga galing nating minimum weights. Nanonood Marco Rementiso. Nanonood sa atin. John Neil Katarman. Cirilo Rosatase. Nanonood sa atin from Japan. Teresa Miko. Cheer lang ng cheer baby para kay Kuya Jufel. Shoutout daw kay Alexis Doresa from Ma'am Francis Barcelona na sa gilid. Oo, may cameo si Boss Lex.
Yung natin i-promote din natin yung laban natin ng UKC Showdown ulit sa October 28 diyan sa The Flash Grand Ballroom.
Yes.
Maraming exciting bout diyan na pwede tayong abangan at saka may sorpresa ang Real Fight PH diyan.
Uy, abangan nyo na
basta manood lang kayo sa live feed sa Elorde TV.
Definitely. I mean, what more can you ask for from Elorde TV? Free live coverage. Here we go. Ito,
Tsaka partner, yung pag manonood ka ng Elorde dyan sa UKC, pero bibili ka ng Box Cafe. Yung coffee doon masarap na binibenta.
Naku, maraming salamat Sir Mike Pelayo watching us from his casa in Quezon City, more power daw sa ating mga commentators. Thank you so much, sir.
Charlie, pakibigay mo yung size, t-shirt size mo. Paki-message mo ko doon sa personal account ko para hindi ko makalimutan. Walang problema, magbibigyan kita ng t-shirt, no problem.
Mario Sagay from Saitama, Japan. Hello sa inyo dyan.
Ayuba na John Ray. Shout out watching from Trinidad, Bohol.
Ako, ikaw na ang bumati dyan, partner.
Medyo nagkaroon ng lull sa laban na to. Okay, round number 5 of this lightweight affair between Jufel Salina and Monico Laurente. They are fighting sa lightweight division.
Youth versus experience dito, partner. Again, that powing jab is key. Both of them know that distance is key, no? Oh, there you have it. They're caught up in that
what a combination by Salina, partner.
Yes, definitely. Si Salina yung nag-capitalize
body head combination. Nakikita mo yung lagatok ko, yung tall, yung sinabi nila.
And how tough is Monico Laurente for eating those punches. Sabi ni Jason Estrella, shoutout daw sa mga taga-Kalbayog na fans ni Justin Darap.
Kaya partner, hindi na uubos ang utang ko eh. Napapadagdag lagi.
Okay lang yan. Ibig sabihin, they are patronizing your shirt. Ibig sabihin, magandang klase. Watching us from Vientiane, Laos is Kamst Posi. Thank you for watching us on that side of Asia. We hope that you will follow Elorde TV and we hope to entertain you even more.
Again, sa lahat ng mga nag-aantabay, after this fight, there will be a special attraction between a Japanese fighter, Miyoto Noguchi of MR Boxing Gym in Osaka, Japan. He will battle Jesse Chris Rosales from Talibon, Bohol, a 6-round super lightweight affair.
Here we go. Nasa 6th and final round na tayo in this bout between Jufel Salina and Monico Laurente.
This is an 8th round, partner.
8 rounds
This is
pala.
an 8th round.
Shoutout Boxing Gloves Official, isa sa mga content creators natin yan sa boxing na sumusuporta sa ating mga boxers.
Baka nasa likod ko eh.
Bigla kasing dumilitaw din yun si Boxing Gloves Official. Baka napunta siya dito sa Leyte, no?
Si Ma'am Christine Cordon is watching us right now.
Hi, Christine. We miss you.
Ma'am, yung usapan natin, ma'am, ha?
Miss ka na namin.
Baka magkita tayo sa ball, ma'am. I always, lagi kong kausap yan si Ma'am Christine and pag lagi kami nag-uusap, laging masaya.
Oo naman. Here we go. Monico Laurente with volume. Jufel Salina with power. Let's see. Kaninong style lang eventually maghahari dito. No? Sabi ni Robin Langres, shoutout daw kay Champ Giovanni Escanera nasa Amerika. Jomer Masa and sa trainer niya na champion din si Coach Jeffrey Arienza ng Elorde.
OG rin yan
Ito na, nako.
OG
Reunion ng mga OG.
yan, Giovanni Escaner. OG yan.
Oo naman.
Jeffrey Arianza. Yan yung mga fighter na yan. Yan sila Coach Jeffrey Arianza. Yan ang nagpanimula ng Night of Champions.
Oo naman.
Tayo, Night of Champions 30 na, di ba?
30.
Yung mga 4, 5.
Sila yung main event doon.
Nagbibiro lang ako. Siguro baka 15, 14.
Oo. Ito na final 45 seconds of round 6. Si Sepjo Yu, shout out sa'yo dyan sa Cabadbaran City, Agusan del Norte.
Salamat sa mga nanonood. I think meron din tayong good size viewers na nanonood sa araw na to at sana pa tumaas kasi malapit na tayo sa main event at co-main event natin.
Huge left hand from Jufel Salina and Monico Laurente just absorbed that standing up, ano?
At saka iba din yung lakas ng Salina, partner. I think marami nang nakalaban din to na napabagsak.
And he is testing himself against a veteran in the form of Monico Laurente. Here we go. Some of the highlights of that round. The leaping into that hook is Jufel Salina. That overhand that touched the chin of Monico Laurente. He absorbed that, but he was able to recover from that. Partner, yung last 3 bouts ni Jufel Salina ended in knockouts or TKO.
Anong? Partner, ha?
That is how tough Monico Laurente is, partner.
Yes. Oh.
Grabe. Grabe yung ginagawa ni Monico Laurente, no? Pinapaulanan niya ng flurry ng light punches na not necessarily devastating but irritating. And kumbaga nawawala ka rin minsan sa diskarte pag may mga ganung punches na nakaka-disturbo sa'yo. But Jufel Salina remains set on his goal, ano?
Minsan nakaka-frustrate pa rin kasi parang kung lahat ay binigay na ni Jufel Salina nakatayo pa yung Laurente. Sometimes mapaprostrate ka rin Pero, ano pa ang gagawin ko para
hindi pa ba sapat?
Oo.
Sabi nga ni Jason Cano, go Monico, veteran moves daw.
Nakita mo, veteran moves na yun.
Tuloy mo. Veteran moves.
Tama na. Alam mo, isa kong gustong pinag-iisipan ko talaga na mamigyan ng bono kay Hercule Sino. Si Gerald Into.
One of our top lightweights.
Suportahan po natin si Gerald Into na sa kanyang susunod na laban, I think November 11. Yung kasama rin si Crossman yata doon sa Blow by Blow.
Yes, Blow by Blow. Trivia lang, partner. Itong si Monico Laurente fought his first fight in 2004. Anong ginagawa mo noong 2004, partner?
Nasa Pinoy Pride ako niya.
Yan na, nagkakaalaman
Nasa Pinoy Pride ako niya. Tsaka babatiin ko lang yung head trainer ng Black Snake boxing stable, si Janrel Maligro. Partner, yung mga fighter nila, si Joseph Sumagbong and Sumabong Brothers nandoon and among others. Danrick Sumabong.
Pinoy Sports Analyst, shoutout sa'yo. Isa rin yan sa mga boxing content creators natin.
Yes, good luck to KJ Cataraha.
Yun, KJ Cataraha.
Nako, napakahirap ko both Filipino.
But that's a treat for all fans, no?
Kasi fighting at sa Japan for a prestigious OPBF title between KJ Cataraha and
JR Racaniel. The best of the best.
The best. Sabi ko nga, good luck na lang sa both fighters and kay KJ. I think his time has come and actually medyo matagal na nga but I think one of the fighters sa 150 na talagang pwedeng kumarga para sa Pilipino. I'm speaking of both na lang, partner.
Even JR Racaniel has ask anyone who's been in the ring with him. He has a devastating power. Even yung mga nakasparring niya also say that they've learned a lot from him. Same with KJ Cataraha. Kaya talagang premyadong laban.
Manonood na lang ako sa pay-per-view niyan. Yang laban na yan. I mean, inviting everybody to watch the November 11 fight between two Filipino gladiator, KJ Cataraha and JR Acaniel, doon sa Japan.
Isa pang boxer na nanonood sa atin.
Kay John Himino, salamat sa panonood. Sabi niya good luck and ingat kayo sa laban.
Oo. Isa yan din sa mga magagaling din nating boxers. Ang daming, lahat ng nanonood sa atin ngayon magagaling din na boxer.
Coach Roel Durano.
Nako, si Coach Roel.
Bakit pa tayo nag-uusap ng tungkol sa OG? Ito na yung pinaka-OG.
Yun naman, diba? Coach Roel na nag-aalaga sa atin parate sa Elorde. Sabi ni Gohan Paloma, Carlo Demesilio at Ricar Auxilio lang ang malakas. Siguro fan to ng Big Yellow boxing team.
Speaking of OG, naglabasa na lahat ng OG.
Para kang no? Parang meron kang bird call, biglang lumabas lahat ng OG.
Alam mo, pag lumabas si Malcolm Eagle Aiton niya dito sa stream natin, uwi na.
Ayan na, lumabas na. Tinawag mo lumabas.
Pareng Malcolm Eagle Aiton niya I hope pare na aalala mo yung lumalaban ngayon.
Oo, si Monico Laurente na nakashare mo pa. Oh! And that was the timing that you are looking for. That was, if I'm not mistaken, a short hook that landed straight on the jaw of Monico Laurente.
Ito kay Coach Elorde Sandigon. I think if I'm not mistaken from sa KSK sila.
Yes, hello po.
Boxing gym. Alam ko may laban din siya abroad, MMA yata.
Wow, good luck coach.
Magkita-kita tayo for October 29.
Yes.
Sa event nyo dyan sa KSK. Salamat po and all the best po.
Sir Gary Rojo, shoutout sa inyo dyan sa Bohol. Here we go. So, Monico Laurente survived that knockdown and is still fighting, still staying inside the pocket. Jufel Salina remains composed. He's still swinging those hard punches.
Ulitin ko lang yung kaibigan natin from Black Boxing Gym dyan sa Bohol, partner. Malay mo.
Sana.
Imbitahan tayo ng bagong owner dyan at world class yung gym nila dyan, partner. Visit mo yung Facebook page nila.
Will do, yes.
Napakagandang gym. Black Snake Boxing Gym in Bohol.
A minute to go in round 8. Hello dyan sa mga kaibigan natin sa Philippine Navy Boxing Team. Sir June Nespa, alam mo partner, ngayon binubuhay ulit ang Philippine Navy Boxing Team. Abangan natin ang ating mga boxers dyan sa UKC. Sana makalaban sila.
Yes. Alam mo, napakaganda, perfectly timed. Kung di ako nagkakamali yung left straight ng Salina that put Laurente on the canvas. Pero tumama ng kanan yung Laurente nung flurry niya.
Tama. That was something that we all need in boxing, timing. Kasi itong si Laurente, veterano na to eh. Alam niya, he knows how to prepare for a punch, but he was caught with that big shot from Jufel Salina. Oo, sabi ni Pinoy Sports Analyst, grabing laban pa ng main event. You just saw, sabi ko nga kanina, partner, young blood versus OG.
I just wanna greet si Coach Jay Camiano, ay isa head coach sa Hong Kong. Naging championship din siya ng WBO Asia Pacific, if I'm not mistaken. Coach, recently nag-visit siya sa Elorde to have acquaintance sa mga naging kilala niya sa Elorde. Hopefully magkita-kita tayo ulit, Coach Jay. It's either dito or dyan sa Hong Kong. Salamat for watching.
Thank you, Coach Jay. And Denise Agapay, binigreet niya ang kanyang family, no? Ang Oclementissima family.
Napakahirap na laban to. Napakahirap. Sa totoo lang, sa aking damdamin parang ako'y dinudurog. Jake El Bambino Amparo versus Pedro Taduran, December 28. IBF minimum weight eliminator. Whoever gonna win this fight will fight Jinjiro Shinyoka in Japan. So kung sino na lang ang manalo, ganoon na lang. May the best one win na lang.
That has got to be the best fight to end the year with.
Yes. Alam mo ba? May trivia ako, partner. May trivia ako sa'yo.
Ano yan?
May invitation ako to go to the fight of Marlon Tapales against Naoya Inoue on December 26. But I politely declined to watch the Pedro Taduran Jake Amparo fight on December 28.
Because who would miss that?
Yes.
Ano, you will never miss that for anything.
Yan ang totoo. Talagang politely decline naman.
Yeah,
Kaya
I mean both are great fights,
but I really want to see more of a Pedro Taduran, Jake Amparo, all Filipino affair.
Right.
Applause for these two gladiators.
What a fight!
Ladies and gentlemen, after 8 rounds of professional boxing, we will go to the scorecards. Judge Ray Caitum Jr. scores the bout 77-74. He has it for Salina. Judge Melchor Arong scores the bout 76-75. He has it for Lorente. And Judge Noel Flores scores the bout 79-72 for your winner by split decision.